folks, very good day. Welcome to another varied video here in YouTube, part of XM Live Education series about copy trading. My name is Stanislav Kolev, aka Indicator Shark, and in this video, we are going to actually get in further details of how we're going to use the copy trading um, function and copy trading tool here in the project. By the meantime, if you have any questions or something that you want to ask, don't hesitate. Address them here in the chat. I'll be trying to give you the best possible answer. And we've got already an account funded with $3,000, and we'll be using that account for our copy trading. And today we're gonna find a couple of suitable for us uh, traders for us to copy and see what we could get from them in terms of the technicalities, in terms of their trading strategy, etc. Now, if you have watched the previous videos, you already know that this copy trading tool, it's basically for everyone, whether you're experienced trader already and you want to use it for you to diversify your investment, or you are a pensioner and you want to have your capital slowly growing potentially, or you're absolute rookie and beginner and you have no clue of trading, but you still want to make something from your money, or you're a person that is super busy with um, your business or your job, this is the right tool for you. And today, in the first video of actually practicing this, I'll be creating um, strategy based on my criteria. I'll create, I'll pick a couple of those traders, and I will use and allocate the capital however I feel like. Of course, um, this is not any form of advice or recommendation. It is to give you an idea and what question you should ask yourself before you start copying somebody else. Of course, we're completely different people. Some of you maybe are into stock and crypto trading. If I am more into Forex or other stuff, yes. Um, However, we've got um, completely different view. That's why I'm going to share mine today. And because I am, I can say that I'm pretty conservative type of trader. I really want to um, find conservative people for me to follow into. That's why you could go in Forex. I want to copy somebody that is Forex trader, or actually get on best performers, get in Forex. And then I want to find people that are having low drawdown and low risk. So if you click on filters, you could see whether the risk score is low. I want to have it 5, maximum 6. So the higher this risk score, the bigger the risk that they're taking, the lower the lower. Very simple. So as soon as I filter that, I click on save. I don't care much whether it's human or algorithm. I mean, um, you could be profitable in all type of trading. I have created multiple trading strategies for manual trading, human trading. I have created multiple strategies for algo trading in front of you. And I also have created multiple trading strategies where you have an algorithm, but you will have to make the final call and the final decision of it. So I would keep all three of them. I click save. And also we could actually arrange them one over the other. And here we could see which is having the smallest drawdown. We've got Jugan, who is manually trading. We've got Jugan that is having win ratio 11, having only 3% drawdown, but it doesn't have a lot of return, at least recently. Invested zero own funds, right? Let's keep, this is risk 2. Let us keep risk 1. This is actually loser at the moment. If you see this green, it's a winner. If you see this red, it's a loser. Now we got gold killer that made 35% drawdown with 27% of return. I think that I want to get a little higher return based on the drawdown. Let us look at the last month return, and we see that gold killer fee 20%. Best performer in forex. Okay, let's do in any of those. And I'm just gonna do, yeah, I think this guy looks pretty solid. He made 35% return. Look how the chart look alike. It has 81 followers. And I like also this guy here, where I suppose that he's using any form of martingale because this is too elevated, really. And I like this guy kind of too. No, this is the goat killer. Right. Okay. So let's follow them one by one. Let's go support resistance guy. I'm going to click on this. And all time, this person from October last year generated 171%. He recently started getting very good at it. Up until April, it was like 50-ish percent. And from then, he made another 120%. Anyway, from his positions, he's having 73% winners and 27% losers. This is great hit rate. And also in terms of risk to reward, he kinda also doing pretty good. He's trading gold, he's trading gold, 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 gold. He's a gold trader only. I'm absolutely fine with this. Invested, there are $43,000 from traders invested here, and we need minimum $300 investment. He has 7 years of experience, and his trades are based on support and resistance level. Brilliant. So what I want to do, I want to do copy strategy. We have minimum investment of $300. We got investor account equity 3,000, and own funds is 2,647. Now I want to go with a not fixed multiplier. I want to, because his fixed multiplier is how much is going to multiply or draw down his position with. I want to go with fixed amount. I have $3,000 into the account. So if I do 20% of my investment here, this will be equivalent to 20% of $3,000. This is equivalent of $600. Now, the next options that you see down here is copy open trades, which ultimately mean that if it's going to execute his already existing positions. We don't really want that. The reason I personally don't want this is if he's having a trade running already on 5%, let's talk percent. If he is having a trade running on 5% and his stop loss is at break even 0, and I execute at 5%, for me that will be 0. And his trade go down to 0, I will be going negative 5%. So talking about the currently executed positions, I'm fine. I don't really bother with them. And here, you don't, I will personally don't like to activate this option. If it is something that makes sense to you, feel free to do it. It is your choice. It is your account. But as we discussed today, we make the rules based on my personal criteria. So here we have also option the stop loss and the take profit amount. So we we don't want to have levels that are not related to his. How I want to do it, because these guys have been performing good. I don't want to anyhow influence his trading strategy. And the reason I don't want to do it, because first, I don't know exactly how his trading strategy works. And even though I knew, I trust his previous performance. I don't want to add stuff that is not actually, I have no idea. So I'm just copying what I see from previous results. Of course, previous results do not include future performers. So this is absolutely fine. We go on copy, and voila, we have already subscribed to support and resistance SNR trader, and we're already following his trades. As soon as he's going to execute a position, it's going to add into our positions in the portfolio. So on the second option on the left side below copy trading, we got portfolio, and we will be seeing all the executed trades. Before this session, I have allowed to myself copy another person. This is Project Eagle Nemesis. I put $500 on it, which means that here totally from the 3,000, I have invested 1,100 into those two guys, and I have 1,900 more US dollars to use to invest. I see we have enough time. That's why let's get into copy trading. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to not use any filters. I'm just going to use all of them, arrange them like this, and I'm going to put them by number of investors. We're having this with 33% gain and 70% drawdown. This is a little bit too much for me. This is too much. This is too much. 70. Those are for my appetite. Not. But I see this guy with 13% drawdown, he made 28% return. And this guy with 6.31, he made 22.25. Now, I'm already having a gold trader, so I'm going to go into Great Holding Pro. Let's see what is he trading. It seems like those guys are really doing gold, but I already have gold in my portfolio. This is why I would restrain from it. If I knew that I'm going to copy another person with gold, I would probably reduce the risk. I would probably reduce the risk on the other account up to 300 and add another 300 with this guy. So in a case that one is, we're kind of a little bit more diversified. Let's check the next person. Let's see what is going on here. Um, this was also Gold Dreamer. Takan. This is also Gold Trader. And I think Project Eagle, we got this one. This we got 8%, and we got 21% return. Let's see what's going on with FX net profit. He doesn't provide anything. A system that will generate profit and protect your capital. See you in my Taka subscriber list. Supervised algorithm. It means that he is paying attention. He's trading commodities, and he is trading gold. March. We didn't make much. Okay, I don't want to be on gold. So let's go on Forex. Let's go on Forex and let's see the most followed ones on Forex. Euro dollar 1 minute. This is pretty big drawdown. Let's see this DFX copy trade. All time is into 68%. I'm very happy with this. His drawdown is not very big, and he is actually showing pretty stable returns, about 20% a month. We have $35,000 of people capital invested. We have euro dollar. I think that's a pretty cool guy, and I will look forward to invest into his account. He got 70% hit rate. Um, Maximum drawdown is 20%. I think that's a pretty solid dude that I would like to follow. And minimum investment, he said $100. I'm going to go with 400 US dollar. And I don't want to copy any of the positions. So I click copy here. Okay, we got it copied. And if we get to the portfolio, we already have 1, 2, 3 people, and half of our capital being allocated into those. because we have $3,000, $1,500 have been invested into him, and any position that any of those three people execute, we will be able to see in this where it says positions, and we'll be able to see active trades. We're also going to be able to see history. This is how we are managing. You will be able to download history, but I'm going to be showing this in one of the next videos because right now we don't have data, nothing really to analyze. So I will shortly wrap it up. This session was based on my personal criteria to have low risk and high reward traders, and also to some extent to be able to diversify my investment. Now, um, in the following sessions, I will be showing based on other criteria, whether you are business owner, whether you're a retiree, whether you have no clue of trading, or other um, types and profiles, what will be the most suitable copy strategies for them, of course, from my personal perspective. So thank you so much, everybody, for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Bye bye.